Okay, this is a very quick video on functions. The very first step in functions, taking an equation and displaying that equation in a table. So this is an equation with two variables. You've got your y and your x. And in this problem, they're saying y is whatever x is plus 3. So you take your x value and add 3 to it. So first your x value is -9. So this is what you want to think. You want to think -9 plus 3. Now you can get a calculator and work this out if you need to, but it's going to work out to -6. So then your next input is 0. So when x is 0, you think, okay, whatever x is plus 3. 0 plus 3 gives you a 3. And then you plug in a 3 for x. 3 plus 3 is going to give you 6. So -2, you plug a -2 in here and you get an output of 1. You plug in a 7, you get an output of 10. So when x is -9, y is -6. These are known as ordered pairs. When you've got one input, you get a certain output. And those are called ordered pairs. We'll talk more about ordered pairs later on. But that's the gist of it. Let's do another one. Now this time it says y equals 3 times x. So you're not adding 3, you're multiplying by 3. So you could have 3 times, your first x is -3, so 3 times -3 gives you a -9. When you plug in a 0, there you go. When x is 4, you do 3 times 4. When x is -4, you do 3 times -4. And when x is 2, you do 3 times 2. And that's it. This is an ordered pair for this equation. This is also an ordered pair. These are all ordered pairs. And we'll talk more about that later on. Here's one where you have x minus 5. So you're taking your x value and subtracting 5. So when x is -7, you subtract 5 from it, you get -12. When x is 5, you do 5 minus 5. When x is 3, 3 minus 5 gives you -2. If you have an input of -2, you do -2 minus 5 and get -7. When you put in a 12, 12 minus 5 gives you 7. And once again, these are all ordered pairs that are created by the equation up top. Whatever x is, take away 5 gives you the y. We have y equals 1/2 x. You could even do fractions. You could do half of the input. So x is -8. Half of -8 is -4. 0. When x is 0, half of nothing is nothing. When x is 4, half of 4 is 2. When x is -12, half of -12 is -6. When half of 10 is 5. Once again, these are all ordered pairs that are created by the relationship y equals 1/2 x. That's an ordered pair that fits into this equation. These are all ordered pairs that work for this equation. That is about it. I hope this helps. Best of luck to you.